Hi everyone. I thought I'd give a quick talk on the topic of the optical character recognition. It's sort of the history of this thing has some interesting roots. Some of you may have actually remembered when this technology first came out. Typically what happens is you get a image scanner of some sort. You get those old style flatbed scanners that look a lot like copy machines. And then you scan the document. The document was then fed into software that actually interpret the characters into some way and digitally render what they saw. It's supposed to save a lot in productivity and time, and with just a few edits you can actually get a lot of text brought from a non-computer friendly format, which is text or print, back into a digital format. Now, there's nothing new going on with this except something that I had spotted just recently with Microsoft. They actually have this technology available at their hands too. If you've ever seen Microsoft's OneDrive, they actually have a place that you can store photographs. A very small, unobtrusive section. They actually interpret what is actually in the photo. This here is a sign out in front of our building out here in Maui, and it's about the U.S. Department of Commerce movement to bring tech jobs into, or what they call high-wage jobs into Maui. So check this out. There's a section in here, in the margins, it says extracted text, and look what it extracted. I mean, to some sort of accuracy. As well, it's got the last line: President of the United States of America, Barack Obama. Let's see what else. Opportunities in. So this, without much effort, this image, whatever text is showing this image, has been scanned into text, readable text. This also shows up in other technologies too. A popular tool that's out here for businesses and corporations is Expensify. Yes, this has actually been around for a while, and what they did is they actually created a scanning technology too. It's similar. You take a photograph with your mobile phone, and that becomes your scan of all the receipts that you have, and you send it by email to their systems. So you see here, there's the receipt, and look how they interpreted it. They even figured out the formats of, because a lot of these receipt formats are pretty standardized, and interprets it to text, and this gets fed into an expense report, which then enters a workflow and then is sent in reports throughout a company for approval and whatnot. Kind of makes things easier for travelers. And last of all, is an older technology, is Flickr. These guys are like a photo sharing site, and they've been around for a while. But I just want to show you that this is nothing special. People have been embedding messages in photographs for a very long time. See this? How did they know this photograph was taken by a Canon EOS Digital Rebel XT? They knew the f-stop, the aperture size, and this, and if the flash was being used or not. I guess the truth is that your digital camera is actually tattling on you, and everywhere you put that photograph, it's telling this information about what you used to take the photograph. Older technology is this EXIF thing. EXIF is just some unstructured data pairing technology, which shows it's a way of storing data, like color space, focal plane, all kinds of information that you can feed about the photograph itself. There is even room for free-form custom data if you want to write to the photograph with that information. EXIF data is also automatically put in by the camera or whatever device you're using. So, those are just some some interesting things to think about with regards to imaging technology. For sure, you can use the one that recognizes the wording, but look at all the information that's already hidden in here. I mean, I don't see any of this stuff like this. Any of this EXO or ISO, or I don't see it anywhere here. But it's for sure, that's the only way that Flickr knew about it. So just some food for thought.